This is pretty simple. I've got a board and I've got a sanding belt. And I'm going to use contact cement to put those two together. So here's my my contact cement. And well, the instructions tell me that I don't want to be too close, and I don't want to get a big buildup of this stuff. I need to keep back several inches from it. Here it says hold the can 6 to 8 inches away. I don't know if that's what I'm doing or not. But so there's the piece of wood that I'm going to adhere this to, this, and I'm going to put a little contact cement on that. There we go. So here's our little test pattern. We got a pretty good pattern there, and we're going to spray that on. That's good enough. Don't need any more than that. We'll just set that aside now, and we're going to do the same thing to this belt. There. The contact cement is on. And now it's just a matter of letting it sit for 5 or 10 minutes or whatever. It's time to stick these two together. This should be a really nice sanding block for when I'm doing carving a walking stick. So we'll just put this together very carefully, as a matter of fact. We're going to line up this belt on this piece of wood with the contact cement, just like this. There. Now it's on there. Contact cement is all on board. And now all I got to do is cut off the excess. There. Now we've just made us a 40 grit wood rasp. And here's an 80 grit. So these wood rasps really give you control. Good. It's a good device. So what I bought is a sanding belt, a 3M sanding belt. This is aluminum oxide. It's tough. The glue that holds the mineral on here is not going to let go. It can take heat. It can take moisture. So you're not going to have pieces crumbling off on your workpiece. That's how I'm making my sanding blocks or rasps for when I'm working on walking sticks. But I'm going to do it different next time. Take a look at this picture here. I'm going to make a paddle with a handle on it. And I'm going to put one grit on one side of the panel and another grit on the other side of the panel. What do you think of my little wood rasps? I've even used this wood rasp on a turning lathe. Maybe you've done something like that. You can leave a comment below, and if you've had some experience like this, let us know what you've done.